So I recently got an interesting question through the website about somebody who had their dates formatted like this. So this would be March 2022, this would be 0421, 0523, but they need to be able to convert it to a date format, and basically it would be the first day of the month. Okay. So what I've done here first of all is I've put it all into a table, insert and table, and I've just put an extra blank column there which I'll be using when I'm doing this. So I go up here to data, I go to from table range, and what I do is just begin by, I'm going to kind of split these out. So just go to add column, and I'm going to go to extract, let's say first characters, and let's say 1. Okay, so you can now see I've got my months done. And go back here to text again, and go to extract, and let's say last characters, and that's the last 2. Okay, all right, so now I basically got my years, I've got my months, and I'm just going to rename that now to months, and I'm going to rename this to year, and I'm going to use the blank one here, and what we're going to do is basically replace everywhere it says null with 1. Okay, so I go up here to home, and I go over here to replace values, and I say null. Now note that null is lowercase, place it with 1, and then click OK. So I've now got my dates, my months, my year. So now what I'm going to do is add in another column that basically puts all these together. Okay, there's a merged column. So I'll just hold down my shift key, those 3, and I go up here to transform, or let's say merge columns. And I just go to add column and then merge column, so actually you can see it happening. And for the custom, I just put in my little slash sign here. There we go. I'm going to call it my date column. And I click OK. Now I've got it here. The next thing I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go here to home. I'm going to format this as date. Okay, so you see there now, I've now got my nicely tidy, ready, formatted as dates. And really, I don't need this one or any of the other ones. So I'm just going to remove. And then come up here to home, close and load 2 as a table. And we're just going to put on this worksheet beside it so you can see it. And there we go. There's all my dates, nice and tidy and ready to do things with. Right. Hope you find this useful. Mind yourself. Take care. Bye.